Everything in this community is under her control. She can live for 50 years, longer than any other insect in the world. Meet the termite queen. Her devoted partner, the king, has been at her side throughout her life. He mates with her frequently, but his role is limited to that. It is his gigantic queen who dominates the colony. Her bloated body contains huge ovaries which produce eggs non-stop. She lays one every 3 seconds, 24 hours a day for 25 years, a productivity unmatched in the natural world. All in the colony are her offspring, and all are dependent on her success. They clean her tirelessly and keep her well fed. Some remove the eggs and store them, a seemingly never-ending job. In her lifetime, she will produce over 250 million offspring. But not all young termites remain equal. Their future will be determined by the queen. In response to the needs of the moment, she will produce chemical instructions that determine the role each of her offspring will play in the community.